over to Camille then.
Yeah, sorry. I feel like it'll stay on, right?
Yeah, now it's late. Now it's like reality. We are officially back. The first campus tour. It's been 16 months.
So I'm gonna be walking like this, but if you have any questions, feel free to join me up here and I'd be happy to answer them. You guys also came on like a beautiful day. This is the residence hall stop. Coming to New York City is learning how to connect with people, you know, and I think connecting with the first people, your roommates, is a really important thing as well. This is the part where we talk about academics. All classes are taught by NYU professors. There are lectures. There's also seminar-style classes. Those are kind of more intimate. This is the Leslie E Lab. It has tons of resources in terms of laser cutters, 3D printers, career coaches, and patent coaches who can work with you. When I talk to prospective students, one thing that I love to say is like, NYU is where your dreams can come true, you know?